Where's Mummy done? Hello everyone, just thought I'd do a quick live with Rocky to show everyone how well he's doing. Hi Joy, hi Tarek, hi Laurie, hi Angelica, hi Claudine, hi Pauline, Aisha, Shakila, hi Roger. Rocky gets a bit lazy at night, Tarek. Hi Renee. But he does wake up about 2 AM. Hi Tristan. Hi Daniela. Rocky's so rough. Hi Janet. How are you, my darling? Happy Sunday to you as well. I'm cooking a roast dinner. Even though Stephen's on a diet, I'm having roast potatoes. He's going to have boiled potatoes and no Yorkshire puddings. Hi Zara. Hi Usher. Hi Gemma. Faisal. How are you? Let go. Let go, mister. Let go with them nails. Come on. Look at him. Hi Clarice. Hi Elena. Let go, that's it. Good boy. Hi Andy. He's very handsome, Tarek. He's much better in real life. Oh, well, Tristan, you know, I'm getting ready for bed about 1 AM, 2 AM. And that's when they all start waking up and want to be fed or played with. So I end up being up till about 4 or 5 AM. Mum's doing good today, Claudine. She actually made herself some soup, which is a really big improvement. What's this? What is this? Hi Karen, hi Emma. Yeah, I am too, Tristan. It's kind of touch and go just before the new year. Hi Aura, how are you, my darling? Shakila, 2 o'clock in the morning is too late for you. Hi Jesus. Hi Beverly. Thank you, Janet. Could still do with a prayer. She's really quite weak, but it's an improvement. Rocky just loves to play when he's not sleeping. He'll play for hours, as long as he's amused. Oh, here comes big boy. How's the baby, Aura? Sorry about this stick in the middle of the room. I've caught the feather stick again in the shade. Hi Stephen, haven't seen you for ages. Are you okay? Hi Anne. I don't know what old cat product you're talking about, darling. We review loads of cat products and they're all around the house. Hi Alison. Junior's not here, darling. He's in the kitchen. Tom, come here. Tom's here though. Being silly. on. Hi, Diane. Whoops. Tom, what happened? I can hear one of the boys emptying the dishwasher. Stephen's out at the moment, Aura. He'll be in soon. No, Shakira, I'm making dinner. I always make the dinner because I like to. Hi, Anne-Marie. This thing's getting on my nerves now. It's like a big line in my screen. Come on, Rocky. Come and get it. Come and get it. They love this bendy flower toy. Can't remember who it was from. Come on. Hello, Paige. Nice of you to join us. No, Aura, he's just gone to church. He goes to church every Sunday. Anne, I suggest you go on to Free Fat Cats and buy their furniture. It's the best on the market. He does look good, Karen, but he's still on his meds for another 7 days. He's been on antacids again because he was going off his food. It's the trouble with kidney disease. I get a lot of acid reflux. And plus he's still on interferon. I think we've got 40 days left now out of a course of 100. Hi, Phyllis. I'm not sure if I've missed anyone. Hi, Natalie. Princey Poo. Princey Poo. I can't get my feather out. Rocky, what are you sniffing? Look what Tom's done to that rug. Come get it. Come on. Tom's in hiding, as usual. Prince, what's this, baby? Oh, Tom's in the litter tray. Listen, everyone. Listen how he bashes the door. He forgets to pee sometimes and then just rushes like a little kid. He'll be in there for 10 minutes now. What's that noise, Rocky? Oh, hello, Uggs. Tap, 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 tap. You okay, Catherine? Hi, Maria. Tom's still banging away. Hi, Lolita. I'm stuck now. I can't get it. Hi, Peggy. Let go. Let go. Let go. Come on. Come on, cheeky. Tom. Come here. Tom. Come on. Stop hiding. Right, I better go. Tom's left me a horrible stink bomb and it's coming into the living room. What did you find? I like this when they play together, both ends. There'll be a fight in a minute. Oh, this thing. Get it, Prince. Rocky's not amused. Hi, Jan. What are you looking at, Rocky? Are you going to say bye-bye to everyone? Are you? Handsome boy. Oh, Claudine, it stinks. Oh no, Aura, we're frozen. What's up, Rox? Hi, baby. Handsome. Anyway, everyone, I shall speak to you later. I may be back. Hi, Sarah. Here's Tommy boy. Stinky boy. Stinky. Tom, what did you do? Good night. Good night. It's daytime. So used to doing lives at night. I'm saying good night. Right, everyone. Speak to you all later. Bye.